Hello guys, welcome to the channel Money Man Danny. Hello, today I'll be putting you guys through on how you can set up a Forex trading account. And before I proceed, I would love you to click on the subscription button and make sure you like my videos so you can always get more of my videos and get notified anytime I drop any video. In case you have any questions, you can always drop them in the comment section where I will interact with each and every one of you guys. So let's go. So guys, today I'm showing you how to set up your trading account. So firstly, we'll be needing some apps which I would recommend you to go to Play Store to get them. As shown on the screen, that's Play Store. So you click on it and there's a search box up where you click on and you put in the name of the app, which is MetaTrader 5 and 4. We are downloading those two apps, that's MetaTrader 4, that's MetaTrader 5. So you click on them and you go to this box down here. You click on it, but it's showing right now, it's showing open. That's because I already had it already. In your own case, you would see install. Like in this place now, you are supposed to have install. So you click on it and it starts to download. Yes, you wait for it to download, finish, and then for the MT5 also you do the same thing. You click on the search box, write in MetaTrader 5. You click on it, but like I said, we are supposed to have install, but I already had it already, so that's why I'm having open. So you click on it and it starts to download. And another thing we'll be needing is a broker where you would have to deposit your money. But as a Forex beginner, I won't advise you to start with your money. You still have to trade with demo first. In this video, I recommend XM Broker. They are good, so I'll be dropping the link in the comment section. Right now on our screen, there's a question asking us whether to give us a $10,000 demo account. So you click on a yes, and then at this point here, it's either you continue with their app or you continue with your web browser. Right now we've been directed to their site where we have to put in our details, the country where you're from, your Gmail, your password. After selecting the country where you're from, right now I'm putting in my Gmail. As you can see on the screen, the Gmail go second, and then the password. Make sure you put in a password according to their requirements. Without any mistakes, because you'll be needing this password also to log into your MetaTrader 5. So right now you are done with the information and you click on register. Immediately a message will be sent to your Gmail, where a code will be sent to your Gmail, so you have to go fetch it. You click on you go to your Gmail. You see the message that you click on verify the Gmail, just to verify the Gmail. So in the Gmail you will be verified, and immediately you will be directed to their site, their login site. So you've been registered now, your Gmail have been verified, and a demo account have been created just for you. So you see on the screen here, you click on demo. As it's shown on the screen, you click on demo. See, that's it there, the demo account have been created. So right now we just need to link it with MetaTrader 5. You click on these three circle dots and then you click on account information. So that's it there, the information to log into your MetaTrader 5. You click on MTID. You click on it and you copy it to your dashboard, and we'll head straight to MetaTrader 5 without wasting time. Here, this MetaTrader 5. So you click on these three line ups here. Click on get started, where you'll be able to log in. So you click on this cross icon up. That's where you have to search for the name of the broker. Find broker. As you can see, you type in the name of the broker, which is XM. Once you type on XM, it brings XM Global Limited. You click on it, and from there you will be taken to this site where you put in your login details, your password, and the server. So to be informed, like it shows in the details, the server there is MT5. Make sure it's the same thing with what you have in the details, MT5. You put in your login number and your password like you see in the video. Make sure it's MT5. Don't make sure you don't make any mistakes. You click on login, and there you have your demo account ready to trade. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more about Forex and how you can proceed with your Forex journey. And in case you have any issues, you can always drop them in the comment section, any question you want to ask. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a nice day.